What's good, guys? It's Magoon. We're back in the shop. Best seat Honda ever made right there. I got a little montage of cleaning up pops. A short little flick. Hope you guys enjoy. The main thing I did was pressure wash the wheel wells. I hosed him down too. I didn't give him a proper hand wash. Just hosed him down, but I got the wheel wells. You could see all the dirt there at the end. And I took the glue from the tint off the windows. Came out really good. Can actually see out now. If you're wondering how I did that, carb cleaner and elbow grease. It's about the only shortcut there is. It worked good though. The Goo Gone would have done it, but it would have took hours. The passenger took about an hour, and the driver took like 10 minutes because someone had already started that one. But it came out good, and another day, another progress. So just keep plugging away at them. And I haven't forgotten about the clapper gapper either, guys. I know that's why most of you are subbed. But it's been a nice break. I was just beating my head against the wall on those wiring issues, so just been working on pops a little. Nice and easy stuff, just cleaning. We'll get back to the clapper gapper, don't worry. All right, guys.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10.